welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a bright day. We are using so many fun colors. I wore this look in a previous video and you guys absolutely loved it. Tons of you loved my sweater, my tie-dye sweater, which I actually got from Vegas when we went to California, and I was just so inspired by that sweater that I was like, you know what, I want to recreate a really cool, fun, colorful look. We are in March, spring is approaching us, so what better way to greet March with than a bright, colorful look. Also, I am a Pisces. If you guys are Pisces, leave me a little fish emoji. But I turned 28 this month on March 11th. Girl, I don't want to talk about it, okay? I just don't. But anyway, I am rambling at this point. I'm hungry. I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started, shall we? So as you can see, I already have one eye done. Let's not talk about these nails. Girl, I need to go get them done. Anyway, we are starting off with this eye. This is always like my good side, you know? I'm gonna take the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. This is such a gorgeous palette. If you love anything that's like super bright and colorful, you will definitely love this. As you can see, we have beautiful greens. We have 1, 2, 3 little glitter. There's just so many pretty colors. I'm gonna pick up the shade Lit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this pretty high up on the crease. Now this shade is probably one of like my least favorites from this palette because it's not as pigmented. But if you build up the color, it actually looks really nice. We are going to be using Pop Rocks on the outer corner. I love this shade because it reminds me of my little girl. My little girl loves Pop Rocks. Like anytime she sees them at the store, she's like, Mom, buy that for me. I'm just going to pack it on. I'm going back into the palette and I am picking up Becky, and we're going to apply Becky on the inner half of the eye. I'm going to start cutting my crease just like I did on the other eye. I am picking up the shade Boom, and I'm taking this little flat brush. This is by Delium Tools, and I'm going to wet it a little bit because it just holds on to wet shadows or shimmer shadows better. And I'm just going to start applying this on the lid. Do you guys see this color? It's so beautiful. I thought it was more of a royal blue the first time, and then I was like, oh no, it's more of a purple, but it's okay. Before I finish the shadow, do you see how I left the space? I'm going back into Becky and then Pop Rocks, and we're just going to diffuse those colors. For my primer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. You guys know, like, this is my favorite. I always use it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to take the BareMinerals Combo Control Milky Face Primer. I have been loving this one lately. I've had it sitting in my drawer for a while, and I think I've only used it once, and that was such a long time ago. So I decided, you know what, we're breaking you out today. We're gonna show you some love because this stuff is really, really good. It makes my skin hydrated, but then at the same time, it combats oil. Now for foundation, I'm going to take this little sample that I got from the new NARS foundation. I really wanted to try it, but I didn't want to buy it because I was like, what if I don't even like it? So I got a little sample of it, and I've tried it once before. And oh my God, it made me so oily. Like, I looked so greasy at the end of the day. But I don't know what it was, if it was something else, if it was the foundation or the primer. So today we are giving this foundation another shot. I do love how this foundation looks on the skin. It's super full coverage and it's very lightweight. So there is the foundation. I think it's a little bit light for my likings. I don't mind foundations that are a little bit darker than me because my body is dark, but my face is like light. So now I'm just going to set the eyes. I'm taking the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. I haven't used this in so long. What I've been liking lately, because my under eyes have been super dry, is I just take a little bit of it and I like kind of roll it this. That way it's not so heavy. And I just press it on the skin. So I'm not using too much. I am gonna bake right here though. For my bronzer, I'm going to take this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. I recently did a review. If you guys want to watch that, I'm going to go ahead and leave a little card that you can click on here. I'm going to switch brushes and bronzer for just a quick second. I like to take the Bahama Mama bronzer and I just literally just carve out my cheeks with this because it is a darker shade. It kind of gives the illusion of my cheekbones being a little bit more sunken in. I'm going to switch back to the bronzer and I'm going to take the multi-purpose brush from E.l.f, which is like the Walmart brand. And then we're going to go and bronze up. Let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to take this concealer brow highlighter duo from Beauty Junkies, but I like to use this side of the pencil because it is a cream nude color. And I like to apply that to the waterline to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. And we're gonna start off with the shade Lit, and we will be smudging that on the lower lash line. Guys, I tried to fix my hair. It is hair washing day today, so we're gonna look a little rough. So what I did apply this one all over the lips. On top of that, I wore the E.l.f. Plumping lip gloss in the shade Peach Belini. Love the shade. After you've applied your gloss, you are all done with this makeup look. I really hope some of you get to recreate this look. It is beautiful. It is perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring. Like, hello March, we're here and we're slaying. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.